All right, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to bring up a quick thing that I noticed in New York. So they're talking about New York government. Kathy is issuing a state of emergency in New York over this new COVID variant that is coming out. And this is bad news for the stock market. So this is something I want to bring up and address so we're all prepared on Monday when the market reopens that we should expect some red. Basically, they're talking about an emergency order was intended just to increase hospital sizes, so they're preparing. And anytime there's this uncertainty, there's going to be pullback in the market. So I have sold out of my positions. I'm sitting in mostly cash, besides my index funds, my S&P 500, stuff like that. I'll keep holding because I'm going to hold that forever. But when it comes to individual stocks, I'm sold out. I'm waiting for a dip. I actually started a short position on JetBlue. It wasn't too many shares, but it was just around like 1363. We'll get into the chart soon. But it looks like they're taking preparation to show that, they're expanding and basically everybody's looking out for it. So COVID's back. We have that new variant and the stock market does not like uncertainty. So, and the United States is restricting travel from South Africa. So it looks like as this COVID variant is emerging, we just have to be careful because there could be more travel restrictions. So just going over some of the stocks, you can start to see that the Nasdaq is starting to pull back. It had that high of $63, and now it's pulled back to 64. JetBlue, I wasn't able to really trade today, but JetBlue offered a really good opportunity, and I tried to get in on them, but it just unfortunately, didn't get filled. I tried to get filled at $14 to short, and that would have been a great play because it went all the way from. It doesn't show the pre-market on Webull, but it was at $14 around there. But the spreads were pretty nasty, I noticed. They're like 10, 15 cents, but it sold off right all the way down to $13.18, and it bounced off it twice. So that's showing you a nice support level there for JetBlue. But it's something to keep in mind that, with this new variant, if it is serious, all airlines are going to get crushed, especially if they restrict travel. DKNG is showing a support level at this 34 range because if you look in the last even 5 days, it's been popping off $34 as a low as like 33.8 it went. So I believe DraftKings is potentially, even with everything going on, we have a potential reversal. And I actually sold out of my whole position of DKNG, so I have no share. So I'm kind of hoping they don't go without me, and I hope we get one more dip to get back in them. But it's just something to be aware on Monday. We just have to be careful because we have these variants going on, and it could make the market pull back. So sometimes I try to just make short positions if any stock comes up, especially ones that can be impacted by COVID, like such as JetBlue.